Dreamweaver is designed for both the Mac and the PC, and although Adobe does the best they can at making the program the same in both platforms, there are a few slight differences between the two versions. Let's take a quick glance at those differences in case you ever have to move from one platform to the other. The first thing I want to point out is the slight differences in menus between the platforms. The PC integrates the application toolbar with the main menu, while the Mac version treats the application toolbar as a separate floating panel that can be docked and integrated with other horizontal panels. Another slight toolbar difference involves the style rendering toolbar. On the PC, you can float it as a separate panel, or you can dock it in various locations. On the Mac, it will dock with the document toolbar and cannot be moved. Adjusting your preferences will require you to look in different places on the PC versus the Mac. On the PC, we'll go to Edit and choose Preferences. On the Mac, we'll go to Dreamweaver and choose Preferences. Same panel, just two different locations. Like most Adobe applications, Dreamweaver is very keyboard shortcut rich. These keyboard shortcuts can change based on the platform. Most of the time, it's simple changes, like using the Command key on the Mac in place of the Control key on the PC. But occasionally, there will be bigger shortcut differences due to the operating systems. Just be sure to check out the shortcut keys if you have to switch platforms. Keyboard shortcuts can be found under the Edit menu on the PC and under Dreamweaver for the Mac. One of the biggest differences between the Mac and the PC is how the Files panel is handled when expanded. The Files panel handles all of your site management in Dreamweaver and acts as an FTP client for uploading and downloading files on your site. In the PC, when you expand the Files panel, the panel takes over the entire interface, even replacing the menu with its own limited Files panel menu. On the Mac, it remains a floating palette, and all menu options continue to come from the Dreamweaver menu. So, while these are subtle differences, they're important to note in case you find yourself working on a different operating system than what you're used to, or in this case, watching a tutorial that uses a different OS than your current one.